What's happening, everybody? Tony Collum here. In the last video you saw me build this island that you see here. I've got it ready. We're fixing to put the countertop on. You're about to watch that happen right now. Okay, I know that was mean. I just wanted to give a little build up to our new countertop. Alright, this thing is freaking awesome. Folks, this is a product called QUARTZITE. It's supposed to be harder than granite, and it's absolutely beautiful. My wife wanted the Carrara Marble look, but we know that Carrara Marble can just almost impossible to use in the kitchen without so much intensive maintenance. So this is a product called Shadow Storm. That's the color of this. Looks just like the Carrara Marble, and I think it's absolutely amazing. All the credit goes out to Prestige Stoneworks, and a special thanks to our salesman and installer, David St, who you'll see in the video. Thanks again, guys. Great job.
Don't do anything wrong.
There you go. That's the top of this island installed. So beautiful. Couple of quick tips. Number one, always pick out a good, reputable contractor to do this work. Number two, always go look at your stone, the slab that you're picking your product from, in person. This stuff at Home Depot and Lowe's where you're picking it out on a 4x4 square is not the way you pick out countertops. Look at the design in this island. You would never see that in those little bitty squares they show you. Always go. Prestige Stoneworks in Bowden, Georgia took us to the place where we could pick it out. My wife searched through whatever she wanted to. They moved whatever she wanted to, and she was able to pick out this stone, which made her absolutely happy. Thanks again, guys, and everybody, thanks for watching.